Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off silent mode on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Air. Doesn't matter which 17 you have, these steps will work in all of them. Here I'll show you 3 ways to do that. So the first way is to Control Center. Just swipe down. Here you will see the bell icon. Tap on it. Now the silent mode is turned off. And the other way is the action button, they call it. Tap on it. Now it's silent to turn it off. Yep, that's it. And the third one is you can do it through settings. So for that, go to settings, then find the sound and haptics. That's what it is called. Tap on it. In here, if your phone is on silent mode, it will show like that. Just tap on it again, and it will turn off the silent mode on your iPhone. That's it. These are 2 ways to turn off the silent mode on your iPhone 17. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.